Chinese civilization originated in her central plains, and the capital of the central plains is Puyang. Puyang is a beautiful, mineral-rich, and civilized city. Henan Dongfanglong Machine Manufacture Company Limited is set up in this place. Henan Dongfanglong Machine Manufacture Company Limited is a scale production company who has its own development team, production lines, and a sales team. The main products are petroleum pipes, downhole tools, and other petroleum automation equipment. The company was founded in 1999 and located on the south of 500 meters of intersection of 106 National Highway and Jintian Road. It covers a total area of 100,000 square meters, including 42,000 square meters standard industrial plant, 10,000 square meters of office building, Science and Technology Research and Development Center, staff dormitory, leisure and entertainment places, etc. The company equipped 68 CNC lathes, 45 sets of auxiliary production equipment of hydrostatic pressure test machines, flow detection machines, etc. Since its founding, it has successively obtained ISO 9001 Quality System Certificate, ISO 4001 Environmental Management System Certificate, and Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate issued by China Quality Certification Center. Quality Supplier Certificate of Alibaba also obtained API 5CT0837 certificate authorized by American Petroleum Institute since 2007. It has got more than 30 independent intellectual property rights. Formed an industrial chain integrating the design as research and development, manufacturing and testing of numerical control automation equipment for petroleum machinery products. This industrial chain can meet the full cycle service of customers' demand for products. The company relies on the electronic commerce platform for the foundation, drilling tools, packer, bridge plug, floating hoop floating shoes, rod hoop, rod centralizer, oil drain, well packer and chemical products exported to USA, Venezuela, the UAE, the Netherlands and other countries, more than 30 countries. Through the promotion and operation of the Strategic Alliance System, we successfully registered a production and a sales company in the Netherlands and opened a new starting point for overseas investment and development. In the future, Dongfanglong will strive to create a new mode of intelligent manufacturing with high efficiency and flexibility, and enhance the core competitiveness of enterprises in the new situation. Target to create a brand in China's industry. Strive for national glory. Work together with people of insight from all walks of life to win-win. Build a dream of oil equipment manufacturing takeoff.